All right, today's lesson is lesson 102, making change from $1. So yesterday you learned how to find a missing addend for the sum of 100. Okay, let's practice really quick. We have 68 plus something equals 100. And so I need to think, okay, well, 8 plus what equals 10? Well, 8 plus 2 equals 10. And then I need to think, 6 plus what equals 9? Well, 6 plus 3 equals 9. So the answer should be 32. And to double check, I can go ahead and add them. 68 plus 32. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry my 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 3 is 10. So that's going to be correct. Okay. All right, what about this next one? 19 plus something equals 100. Again, I'm going to think, okay, 19 plus what equals 10? Well, 19 plus 1 equals 10. And then I need to think, 1 plus what equals 9? I know that 1 plus 8 equals 9. So 19 plus 81 equals 100. And we can double check. 81 plus 19. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So my answer is correct. All right. So now we can use that same concept to find out change we'd get back from $1. Customers, when they're buying something, usually want the fewest number of coins for their change. For example, if I am getting 99 cents back, I do not want 99 pennies. Okay? So we're going to start with 33 cents. And when we say the cost of the item, we usually count by 1s, 5s, 10s, or 25s until we get to 100. Okay? Actually, I'm going to start with 32 cents. Okay? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to count from 32 as counting back change. Okay? And I'm going to begin with the pennies. So if I have 32 cents, then I'm going to give back 1 penny, so that'd be 33, 34, 35. Now I don't want to give any more pennies because I'm already at 35, so I'm going to count by 5s. So I have 35, 40. Okay? Now that I'm at 40, I want to count by 10s, 50. Okay? And I don't really want to keep going by dimes. So here I'm at, so this was 33, 34, 35, 40, 50. Now I can count by quarters, which are 25 cents. So that'd be 75 and then $1. Okay, so I now have, this is the amount of change I'm getting back. I have 3 pennies, a nickel, a dime, and 2 quarters. So I have 2 quarters, 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies. So let's count up how much money that is. So we have 2 quarters is 50 cents, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. So I'm going to get 68 cents back. Okay. All right, what about if I have 34 cents? Well, if I have 34 cents, then, so I'm starting with 34 cents. So I'm going to go to 35. Okay, and I'm going to count by 5, so that's going to be 40. And I'll count by 10s to 50. Okay, and then again I can count by 25s. So that'd be 75, $1. Okay, so I have a total of 1 penny, 1 nickel, 1 dime, and 2 quarters. The total cost of that is, so if we count backwards, we have 25, 50, 60, 65, 66 cents. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead to the 40 cents. So if I pay 40 cents, then we're going to start with over here with the 40 cents, and I want to count by I don't need to do pennies because I want to get the fewest number of coins possible. So we'll start with dimes. So we'll have a dime, and that would be 50 cents. And now that I'm 50 cents, I can go by quarters. So 50 cents, 75, $1. So in this case, I have 1 dime, 0 nickels, 0 pennies, and I have 2 quarters. So I gave them back a total of, so we count backwards, 25, 50, 60 cents. Because 60 cents plus 40 cents equals $1. Okay, well, if I have 50 cents, then I can just count by quarters. So we start with 50 cents, and we go 75, $1. Okay, so in this case, I would be giving back 2 quarters. And the change would be 50 cents. If I have 75 cents, then to get to $1, I only have to give 1 quarter. So my change back would be 25 cents. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.